Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Saresy. So in today's video you can watch me unbox a branded Kmart Anko bread maker, as you're seeing now. So this is the second one I've had, and essentially there was a bit of a tragedy occurring with the first one I had several months ago that I bought. Anyway, I had to buy another one, so I did, and I'm also going to be showing you that I'm kind of testing it out and making a loaf of sourdough sandwich bread in it. So you can see me do that, but also stick around and I'm gonna give my very honest, unsponsored review of the Anko bread maker. But for now, please enjoy. Five hours later. So anyway, you'll see in a little bit that this bread actually turned out really well. After it was finished baking, I was quite impressed that it could actually get through like a loaf of sourdough. However, unfortunately, the machine itself, I used it one day during a storm, and we had a couple of very tiny power outages, like the lights just flickered on and off. But the machine was going on during that time, and then anytime I used it after that, and I tried it a couple of times, it just didn't really bake properly. Like it would go through like the dough kneading cycles, and it rose really well, but then it would go to bake and it would just bake everything flat. And that wasn't even just using like a sourdough starter, that's just using like a normal yeast, like instant yeast and normal flour and things like that. So to be honest, I'm not really impressed. I have been kind of stepping away from Anko branded stuff lately. I've been more heading towards like branded, like your Sunbeams and your Ninjas and anything else essentially. You might be paying a little bit more money for it, but I feel like in the end you're going to have a lot more longevity with your appliances, and saving money as well. Oh, but this is a gosh darn fine piece of bread. Look how that turned out, all soft and squishy. I was actually really happy with the way it turned out. If it didn't have like engineering problems, I guess I would probably go out and buy another one, but because there's been issues, I'm reluctant to go back to this specific Anko brand. But tell me what your thoughts are. Have you used this machine with consistent results, or what has your experience been with Anko bread makers? I would love to find out. So just comment below, and look forward to seeing it. Thanks so much for watching, guys.